Dimitri produces wine, olives, and tomatoes. Last year, he had a disaster. His crops were wiped out by pests. He lost nearly $60,000, money he was counting on to pay the bank loan, settle debt with local suppliers, and secure his son tuition. But Dimitri isn't the only one having this problem. Each year, pests destroy 30 to 40% of crops globally, draining $220 billion from the food industry. 4 million tons of pesticides are used, 80% of it is wasted. And farmers spend more than 200 hours a month to manual scouting. Hello everyone, my name is Endri. I am the founder and CEO of Intel. At Intel, we are developing an early warning system for the future of food. Our smart traps monitor fields 24/7, automatically capturing and identifying pests, and instantly notifying farmers, delivering not just alerts, but actionable data-driven insights. The setup is under 10 minutes, and one device can cover 1 hectare. This isn't just an idea. We have already 10 devices deployed across 3 farms, and the results speak for themselves. 87% increased yields and 65% less pesticides used. We serve small to medium-sized farms, agri-cooperatives, governments, and NGOs. Our go-to-market strategy is clear: bottom-up adoption, top-down monetization. There is a huge smart pest management market opportunity out there. We are targeting $580 million small to medium-sized segment in Europe, starting with 30 million ARR in 2 years. We make money by charging monthly subscriptions per device deployed, data licensing to agri-businesses, and B2B contracts with pest service providers. Of course, we are not alone. Our competitors are high-tech drones and pesticide companies, but compared to them, we are faster, cheaper, and eco-friendly. Behind Intel, there is a powerhouse team. Together, we combine tech, growth, finance to scale Intel where it matters most. Right now, we are raising money in order to acquire 1,050 paying customers, expand into 3 new markets, California, France, and Spain, getting us 1 million ARR by 2026. Thank you, everyone, and come join us to protect the future of food.